Do you recommend, if they cannot give up pornography completely, start small? Same this way, the way you're saying, do different goals. How about they start with, they don't do it for one day, then 2 days or 1 week or 2 weeks, and then is that okay if they wean off slowly?
Well, I think it needs to be completely off. But yeah, if you can't go one day without consuming pornography, make that your goal first. Say like if you haven't been able to go an entire day in the last 9 months, like all you need to like you don't set the goal of like I'm trying to go 100 days or I'm trying to go forever. Start by going tomorrow without it, and then have that win, and then say, dude, you did it. Now just do that again. Do that again. There's an amazing book out right now. It literally was just launched a couple of weeks ago by Ed Milet, who's one of the world's most inspirational, motivational speakers. It's called The Power of One More. The entire book is about literally taking your life one day at a time. This is the path to recovery from anything. If you're struggling with alcohol, you just need to be sober for one more day. If you're struggling with a drug addiction, at the beginning, you just need to go one day without your drug.
Book out right
So
now.
yeah, somebody that is really, really struggling, go one day without pornography, and then figure out, okay, what did I do in that day and what things did I not do, and then replicate that for the second day, and then replicate that for the third day. And if you do that enough over time, you'll be like, dude, I've gone a month now. Now I'm beginning to become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. But no, I don't think if you're watching porn 8 hours, going to 4 hours or 2 hours a day would be a good thing. I think it's got to be complete, cut out of it, but then yeah, take it one day at a time.